This is the recipe for a perfect rice pudding. You'll need 1 cup of rice. Add the rice in the pan. Add some lemon skin inside the pan alongside your rice and the cinnamon stick. Cover the rice with some water and put in your cooker. Stir a little bit, add some salt, keep stirring, and add 2 cups of milk. After the 2 cups of milk, add 1 cup of cream, single cream or double cream. Keep stirring, keep stirring. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar or stevia and 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. And keep stirring till the end, about 20 minutes, the perfect rice pudding. When it's thick enough, take off the cooker and serve. And if you like, you can add some cinnamon on top.